Yeah. Oh, look at that. You got him? You get him? Fucking, they doing a bike rollout right now too. With a booster doing a burnout right here on Thornton Road.
What's up, guys? We're getting ready to go for a mountain run. Getting gas right now. My GTR 93. The good gas, not like last night where I got Valero.
You started yelling at me like, oh, I'm gonna live.
Dang, I don't know how I feel about this. Alright.
I know you're aggravated, but you're yelling at me because I'm talking to you. You're yelling.
It does say top tier gas, so we'll see. Guys, there's a cop literally right there. I think he may be out to get me. And this freaking pump is not working right. Look at that. I gotta hold it. Stupid. Maybe I should.
They doing a bike rollout right now too. With a booster doing a burnout right here on Thornton Road.
Flashing his lights and his emergency lights. He's trying to get somebody's attention for something.
Oh, you got the pool right there.
Yeah. Oh, they
say this way.
They know. They know.
Local jerky.
It's a little scary at night.
A little scary because you can't see. Some of them turns the way they crest and they come around.
Yeah.
little chili on this motherfucker.
How many he gathering out because that E85 was getting burnt.
Yeah.
That shit.
Where you at now?
I'm half tank, but
We understand that for some.
That's gonna burn quick. Yeah. And but those U-turns will sneak up on the first person
the thing is
on the lead. The
I'm
first.
in the front, so
That's why you need to have your map up because it shows
I had mine up, but like it would reload.
I didn't have mine up
You
either.
do that shit by memory?
For the most part. Yeah, but the thing is, when my high beams don't work, you're coming up and top, you can't see none. So it's
Yeah.
like,
Yeah.
all you see is a lane.
He's just brave as fuck.
And then all he
he
sees.
literally takes racing lines, like going around corners. I'm like, bro, somebody's coming.
keep
They're
up?
gonna take us.
That's what I was doing, but I was at the end, so it was okay for me to do that.
Yeah, I'm
You were keeping
deadly
up
afraid of that.
Is it back on now?
I don't know what's going on with it. Like, I don't know. It runs fine though.
So what happened exactly?
Like, every time we went to like a hard turn.
Yeah.
Everything would flicker. And then
Oh,
that
like your gauge, like your
all
dash.
my lights and everything, all my accessories and shit. And then as soon as we hit that bit, the really hard ones, that's when it just said. As soon as I turned my flashes on, that's when it was like.
Oh, okay. I
I'm
noticed. I was
like,
like,
oh,
well,
shit.
it's like, what's going on?
Yeah, I mean it's running fine, but I can't park or reverse.
So how did you? How did you do right now?
It's in neutral, but I put the emergency brake on.
Did you turn off and turn on?
I don't want to try it.
Okay, yeah.
Fucking
His electronic system is all like being weird.
Had to touch.
It could be like a fuse, because I know I had a fuse that like burnt out, and it was pulling power from a different electronic system, so it was fucking it up because the fuse was blown out.
tap on the gas, hurry up.
What's the? Oh, it's dead.
Time it did it though, it was kind of because of.
Oh, they come in separate? I didn't even know they do that.
Oh shit! I didn't know it did either.
Yeah, this is.
They should have did that in all cars.
That's pretty cool.
Oh yeah.
How we doing?
How y'all doing?
Pretty good.
Good. All right, guys. So,
No.
oh, come on, man.
Definitely not.
That's in PPRs, man.
He's the slowest one.
We were driving slow.
We did 25 and 15.
And, you know, I get it, y'all here having a good time. That's great, man. Please don't just scrape nobody off the side of the highway, man. That's all I ask. Y'all just be safe, okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I get it, man. Y'all enjoy your weekend.
I appreciate it. We're going home. Something to touch.
Y'all be safe, okay?
All right, sir. Well, as long as he.
Smoking, are y'all?
No.
Oh, fake.
Okay.
We're both gonna lose traction for a little bit.
He don't fucking even think about shit like that. It's fucking too cold for that shit. Yeah, I'm just fucking tired shit.
Ooh. This shit is badass. Dang. We out here, you guys. We out here. They got the Pinkies. They got the Pinky tow truck here. He's part of the drive group. But yeah, they're gonna go pick up the car now. They're gonna take that through all the twisties and windies and whatnot. But somebody's gonna get the car finally. Like, comment, subscribe.